Alright, YouTube viewers, here we have this Moss Caribbean Breeze 4-blade fan with stencil. There's no tag on the motor, but there's a Moss Caribbean Breeze, a half a sticker on the canopy. Stencil blades, wood blades 4. Very cool fan. To the wall control. Let's see if she's got enough unload. Not enough unload. Medium low, medium low. Very nice fan, very powerful fan, very quiet fan. As you expect, as Moss Caribbean Breeze, they're very good fans. This is my first wood blade, well, first 36-inch wood blade one. It's kind of cool. So there's medium low. Let's go ahead and go to medium high. They don't speed pretty well. Let's go ahead and go to high. Basically pure insanity on these things. There we go. Probably the strongest breeze we've kind of gotten from out of here. No, I think back the 48-inch one was pretty strong. This 36-inch one was very impressive. Let's go ahead and spin it. I'm sure it's going to take a long time. Based on good bearings, high speed, and pretty light blades. Sorry. The blades were a little stubborn getting on there, but they did fit. Thanks for watching.